what will happen to our society without girls or without the development of girls? We cannot do anything. If we do not educate girls, then society will never develop. So the most important thing you should always remember that we should always support each other. And we always do one thing that first time when I came to the college, like everyone know that my honors is English, that I cannot speak properly Odia because when I speak in Odia, people think I am joking. So that is why I like to always talk in English, because when I talk in English, I feel so confident that I can share my feelings with everyone. So the most important thing I love in this college, there were some sisters, like I always first time when I came to the college, I called them sister, because one thing is that they are younger to me, but I call them sister. So they supported me the way I think no one will support. They supported me, they helped me in every situation. If a girl can support a boy, then a boy can support a girl also. So the most important thing I want to share today, support everyone, especially to girl. If they will develop, then they will help you to grow in your life. Without girl support, then we cannot be developed in our society. Thank you.